Hello, fellow toy addicts. Oh yeah. If you're subscribed, you know exactly what this mess is. Yeah. Aoshima Airwolf, awaiting repairs. It will fly again. Well, at least it'll spin its propellers. But no! We got a new Batman movie out, and, there's some, chatter going on in the Facebook groups. What's the best Batmobile? Do you like the new Batmobile? I think the new Batmobile is pretty badass looking. I think it's got a little Mad Max feel to it, a little post-apocalyptic dystopian Batman. I'm probably not going to see the movie in the theaters. It's 3 hours long. I cannot possibly. I would explode. I'd have to wear a diaper to see that movie. I really don't go to the movies that are longer than 2 hours for the most part. You get old, you got to pee a lot. Whatever. That being said, it's a cool Batmobile. Definitely not my favorite Batmobile. It's just a black, badass, like Charger-based monster, cool vehicle. Kind of, I feel the same way that the Tumbler. I love the Tumbler. But the Tumbler doesn't say Bat. And it's a little hokey, like the original 66 Batmobile. That was cray-cray. I love it. Some of the other Batmobiles, like, oh my god, oh jeez. What were those? The Batman movies we'd all like to forget, I think. But the best Batmobile by far is the 89 Tim Burton, Michael Keaton Batmobile. Just my opinion. Again, this isn't, a fact. This is just how I feel. I love the 89. The Hot Wheels box has not much going on here. Okay. Okay. Look at that. Okay. Haven't pulled this thing out of the box in damn near a decade. I've had this a long time. So we're going to get her. I just like, it's a simple packaging. It looks nice. The paint finish on this is beautiful. Not really, doesn't really show up the fingerprints. Oh, those damn screws. Okay. We're going to take our new Heiko screwdriver from Germany. Oh, such a precise fit into that screw. Let's see here. Are we done? Are we out? Is it out? Nope. I forgot to magnetize this screwdriver, I think. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's a long screw. All right. So, there we go. I was using my electric screwdriver for the Mad Max cars, and I was watching that video and I cringed at how loud the damn thing was on camera. So we'll just use the manual. We'll just go caveman style. There we go. These screwdrivers are, I know, the screwdrivers are cool. You may be toy nerds, but you've got to love a green acetate handle on a screwdriver. And they're ecto handles. They're, ectoplasm. Kryptonite is what I called them in my review video. There we go. And she's free. We will put the packaging over yonder. Let's take a little look at this fella. I had this displayed in my old house before we moved, and it is a beautiful, beautiful model. I think, yes, the engine extends on the Hot Wheels. Little headlight reflectors. Got some nice details going on the side there. Wheels spin. Not a heck of a lot going on the bottom. In real life, this car was cobbled together from, I think a Chevy Caprice and some other things. Let's look at the interior. Yeah, that's the dashboard is nicely detailed. Okay, it wasn't a lot going on. This thing was, I don't know how they even drove the stupid thing in the movie. It was one of those cars, they built it for the movie, but it's got the little bat wings. It's just the beautiful swoopy lines of this are gorgeous. We've got the flip out machine guns. Who doesn't like a pair? Now, are these 50 cals or are they 30 cals? That's a good question. They look a little like a Browning M1919, which would be a 30 cal machine gun, but they could be an M2 Browning, which is a 50 cal. Again, I'm not 100% sure. I'd have to do some further research on that. Some of you guys probably know. But yeah, what a lovely, simple vehicle. Beautiful paint job. The whole aesthetic of the Tim Burton movies. Yeah, steering wheels do move, and they are connected. Now let's try this. The steering wheels are connected to the steering wheel. You know, the front steering. It's nice. These, I don't know how much these go for on eBay nowadays. But yeah, this when I saw that Tim Burton Batman movie in '89, how old was I? I was 10 years old. I was blown away by the sucker. You know, and then, you know, the fire coming out the back. It's just super cool. It's not George Barris, I don't think, but it's worthy. It is definitely a worthy Batmobile. Nice heavy. Rolls pretty smooth. Might need an alignment. There we go. Yes, that's basically it. '89 Batmobile. Definitely my personal favorite. Slight little dig for having that line, but obviously there's only so many ways they could have made this work. They could have put another piece here, maybe a mechanism that would have it drop down and move forward with the windscreen. That's some fairly advanced engineering for, and this isn't a Hot Wheels Elite. This is just a Hot Wheels 1/18 scale. They didn't make an Elite that I'm aware of, or I would probably have it. I like the vent grill there. It's just plastic. It's solid. It's not actually cut through, but you know, it has a decent amount of surface details on here. I like it a lot. Yeah, you know, go in the comments. What's your favorite Batmobile? A lot of people are very, very loyal to the '66. There's a lot of Tumbler people out there. I love them all, except that one Batmobile with the rubber mohawk wings that were flapping in the breeze. Oh my God, who played that Batman again? I'm no good. I forgot that. I kind of like shut that whole series of Batman movies out of my memory. It wasn't Christian Bale. It wasn't, you know, it wasn't Affleck. It wasn't Keaton. Who the hell? I know there was the one with, like, you know, that had Schwarzenegger as the bad guy in it, I think. Damn. It's such a memorable Batman movie. I can't even remember it anymore. But yeah, this is definitely my favorite. I loved also in the scene, you know, where it armored up, covered itself up. And, you know, the Penguin, obviously, is a very good car thief. So, you know, they got in there and did their shenanigans. And the whole thing split apart and turned into a rolling missile. And that was a little, You know, I didn't, whatever. You know, they're going to do what they're going to do. But yeah, there we go. That is our review, our unboxing of the '89 Batmobile. Either way, blast from the past, but it still holds up, man. It still holds up. That new Batmobile, I'll see the Batman, that movie, when, I don't know if it hits HBO Max, I assume. Batman usually, DC stuff's usually on HBO Max. So I'll see it when it hits HBO Max. We'll give it a proper viewing. But I don't have high hopes these days for a lot of stuff. It's kind of depressing, you know? I mean, whatever, you know, I won't get into the diatribe there on that. Either way, I'm going to go put this back in its box with our lovely little made in Germany screwdrivers from Heiko. A worthy screwdriver for this model. Yeah, there we go. That's all. That's it. I mean, fight amongst yourselves now on what's the best Batmobile. But this is my best Batmobile. So, have a nice night, everybody. Enjoy.